Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny 2 on PC with Xbox account. Only way. Sign into the Xbox app on your PC, link your Microsoft account, enable crossplay, then open Steam or Epic and launch Destiny 2 to sync progress and characters. Ensure the Xbox app shows your gamertag and Steam has permission to use Xbox services. Test load to verify cloud sync and character transfer. Start by opening the Xbox app and signing into your Microsoft account. In the app, go to Settings, then Accounts, and confirm your Xbox Live privacy allows multiplayer and crossplay. Next, open Steam or Epic Games, locate Destiny 2, and ensure account linking prompts are accepted so progress syncs. If prompted, verify email and approve sign-in on your console or mobile device to complete the connection. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Oala water bottle, perfect for long gaming sessions and sweaty raids. I keep one by my desk to avoid mid-raid panic and spilled drinks. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab yours. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Everyone. If Destiny 2 shows mismatched characters, sign out and sign back into both Xbox and launcher, then relaunch the game. Check that cross-save is enabled in Bungie. Net settings and that the correct primary platform is set. Update the Xbox app and graphics drivers and allow any firewall prompts. Use the Xbox game bar for quick overlays and consider running the launcher as administrator if sync fails repeatedly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.